Hi again. I'm Hank Fainema, the CEO and Senior Engineer at Strategic Systems Engineering. To celebrate our rebranding as Strategic Systems Engineering, we're releasing PhosFinder, a Python script that generates annual nutrient mobility estimates. This free-to-use script was made in collaboration with the Red River Basin Commission, Environment Canada, and IISD. The Canadian tool is inspired by the American model PTM which stands for Prioritize, Target, and Measure, and refers to planning agricultural beneficial management practices that sequester agricultural nutrients. Our PhosFinder script is open source and now available to download on GitHub. To use PhosFinder, you'll need a shapefile of your watershed of interest, a 1 meter or 2 meter digital elevation of your watershed in Manitoba. These digital elevation models are derived from LiDAR, are available from the Manitoba Land Inventory or from Strategic Systems Engineering. The PhosFinder script uses the annual crop inventory for Manitoba. If you're outside of Manitoba, you can use other provinces' crop inventories, which can be found here. You'll also need the storm depth of a 2-year 24-hour precipitation event. The PhosFinder script accounts for flow speeds. The faster water flows, the more erosion a landscape undergoes, and the easier for nutrients to flow downstream. PhosFinder uses the LiDAR-derived digital elevation models to understand how nutrients erode from a watershed, accounting for shallow, sheet, and overland flow. This modeling capability is an important advance and is made possible by Manitoba's investment in high-quality LiDAR. You may be asking, why are we doing this? Primarily two reasons. Phosphorus, particularly, is a pollutant in high concentrations that causes algae blooms and seriously degrades water quality. Algae can be toxic to animals and humans and deprive fish of oxygen in lakes and rivers, as we've seen with Lake Winnipeg. The second reason that PhosFinder matters is that phosphorus is actually a valuable resource. It's a scarce and strategic component of agricultural fertilizer. We don't produce it in Canada. It's in our environmental interest and our economic interest to intercept phosphorus and recover it before it can enter lakes and rivers. PhosFinder can be used to determine where we should build retention basins, how many we should build, and their size to intercept and recover phosphorus. A real-world example of this concept in action is the Oakburn Phytoextraction project, which is a 3-cell bioretention basin designed to intercept and recover phosphorus by harvesting phosphorus-heavy biomass with conventional agricultural equipment. With PhosFinder, you can generate a raster map which estimates in kilograms the yearly amount of nutrients, phosphorus and nitrogen, that are transported within and out of a watershed, and therefore where to plan interception points. Each pixel of the raster map that PhosFinder produces shows you how many nutrients are flowing at that point. If you view the pixel of the watershed outlet, this is where the nutrients eventually leave the watershed, and you can estimate on an annual basis how many kilograms are doing so. PhosFinder also generates a raster map of travel time estimates, predictions of how long it will take for nutrients to travel from any location in your watershed to the outlet after a 2-year 24-hour precipitation event. Our hope is that by making PhosFinder a free open source software product, we'll advance our capability for intercepting and recovering nutrients, specifically phosphorus that would otherwise pollute Lake Winnipeg. We've designed PhosFinder to take full advantage of modern, low-cost, high-performance computing and to take full advantage of Manitoba's large investment in high-quality LiDAR. The GitHub package contains the PhosFinder Python script and more information. As always, if you need help using PhosFinder, please reach out at the contacts shown on the screen. You can download it now. Thanks for watching.